Hello Math 186 students, this is your instructor, Ms. Thomas, and I decided that I would go over the packet that I gave you in class. We called it the military packet because it has international and traditional time, but the actual section is called Measurement Systems, Drug Orders, and Drug Labels. So I know we've been working on the micro, milli, centi, deci, and kilo. And the math tip that they've given us in the text for remembering the 6 metric units is King Henry died from a disease called mumps. Kilo, hecto, deca, base, okay, which is your meter. Liter and gram is your base, all right, and deci, centi, and milli. The next page, okay, is where I want you to start your examples. Right, I will do number 1 and also number 2, converting each of the following to equivalent unit indicated. All right, so I'm going from milliliters to liters. Okay, so milli is here. Okay, and we are going to liters, but this is number 1. Okay, so from milliliters to here, so that is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 units back. So the decimal is here if you don't have one at all. So 1, 2, 3 units. So you write that as 0.5 liters. Okay, please put the 0 in front. 0.5. Okay, so we're just moving the decimal. Now we're going from grams to milligrams. All right, so we have 15 thousandths with a THS on the end. All right, so we're going from grams, which is here, grams is here, to milligrams. All right, so we're going 1, 2, and 3. Move my decimal, so 1, 2, 3. The answer is 15 milligrams. Okay, so fairly easy. Okay, good. All right, next let us go to the next page. All right, international and traditional time, known as most people say military time. All right, they have examples. Okay, so we're dealing with midnight. It was, be 12:00. Okay, 1 o'clock p.m. would be considered 1,300 hours, 1,400 hours, 1,500 hours, so on and so on. All right, if we're doing a.m., okay, you have a 0 in front. So for example, 0400 is stated as 0400, okay, because each hour the time is read simply as the hour and the number of minutes preceding by 0 as needed. Okay, so this will be like 4 a.m. Okay, 4 a.m. This will be considered 1,600 hours, which is 4 p.m. Okay. Okay, so use the zeros in front, indicate a.m. Okay, so we want to make sure your patients know the difference between a.m. and p.m. when you're prescribing medication. Okay. The first one, convert international time to traditional time. Okay, so here we are. You can go back and look at the clock if you need to, but if you have 0032, that is 12:32 a.m. Okay, you're going to give the medication at 12:32 a.m. Okay, and usually that 0 in front is an indicator. Okay. Right, the next one I looked at number 6. Okay, it had 12:15. All right, so on number 6, 12:15 here will indicate 12:15 p.m. p.m. Okay, there's no 0 in front. There's no 0 in front to indicate that it is a.m. Okay, next 1:30 p.m. Okay, number 11. All right, let me let you think about that one. Okay, so we're going to change it from our traditional time to what we call military time. It will be 13:30 30 hours. Okay, 1330. Okay, all right, looking at number 16. If I wanted to write 3:45 a.m. in military time, how would I write that? Okay, I'm hoping that you said 0, 3, 4, 5. Okay, perfect. Okay, next it says in a 2-hour time, 0623 is stated. And I just want you to write that out in words. So we write this as 0, 6, 23. Okay, 0, 6, 23. Okay. Okay, hope this part 1 of the video helps.